Hey folks, so I wanted to have a bit of a chat about testing. What should we test in CDK and what can we test? One of the things that we can start off that's the easiest to do really is testing out the CloudFormation templates or template that gets generated by CDK. We can make sure that resources are present and we can check that they have the right properties on them. And that's pretty simple, and for a lot of cases that's plenty good enough. That verifies what we need to. You might be thinking, well, actually, we could put a property value in or we could put a resource in and it might not deploy successfully. And you're absolutely right. And at the other end of the scale, there's full end-to-end testing of the infrastructure. And I think in a lot of cases, you can avoid this and focus on the testing of your application code. But you might want to do those full end-to-end tests if you're building constructs that have a lot of users and you really need to make sure that those constructs deploy successfully in a number of scenarios. That's out of scope of this course. We're not going to talk about end-to-end testing of constructs, but just something to bear in mind. In the middle then, if we are co-locating our infrastructure and application code, which is super likely and super easy in CDK, then we have to think about the usual suspects: unit, integration, and end-to-end tests. And really, again, we do have a little bit of a testing lesson that's application code, but it's application code for infrastructure purposes. So we'll talk about it a little bit, but it's kind of out of scope of the CDK course. It's up to you as to what you test and what lengths you go to. I think it's important to give it a go and review these lessons anyway, and then you can make your own determinations as you build out applications in CDK.